Hi, I'm Ann. I'm a certified personal trainer and provincial level powerlifter, soon to take the deadlift and bench press records for the province of BC in Canada. I've enjoyed hiking and biking my whole life, but I've always been overweight because I love eating junk food and playing video games. When I met my man moob Ben, we started a potato-based relationship. Lots of chips and poutine basically every day. Needless to say, we went from overweight to downright fat over the course of about 2 years. In 2018, we moved across the city with our roommate Brian and his, I guess now all of our 4-year-old. He was also getting pretty hefty, and we realized we're now setting a bad example for the little human. While getting some new furniture, we saw a gym only a block from our new house. It just made sense to give it a try. The first few trips we looked pretty dumb. You know those fail videos with people who use the machines all wrong? That was us. But we kept going and we learned. The meatheads in the back where people are lifting the really heavy stuff, they were really nice. And they gave really simple tips and advice, and within a couple of months, I was doubling my strength, literally monthly, like going from 5 to 10, and then next month, 20. 6 months in, one of the female trainers said something very simple that I would never forget. "Wow, you're so strong. Do you compete?" And I had never considered myself doing anything like that, or that I was actually, strong comparatively. But I was told that the other women in the gym were taking notice of how hard I was training. A few months later, Ben and I watched our first powerlifting meet in Kelowna, BC. At this point, I had lost 40 pounds of fat and gained 20 pounds of muscle. In October of 2019, so just shortly thereafter, I won the strongest woman in my weight class at my first powerlifting meet. And again in November. Recently in January, we went to the UBC New Year's lift, and while I didn't win first overall because Caitlin Lim is absolutely crazy strong for her size, I did pretty well for myself. I really had no intention of becoming a trainer, but again, somebody said something nice to me. I knew my stuff, I was competing, I was confident enough to start training others. So I enrolled in trainer school at InfoFit here in BC, and here I am. So 1 year later, I've gone from couch potato to platform potato. That's a powerlifting joke. And now I'm here with Ben and Rawr to bring fitness and healthy, realistic living to the masses. And now you know your trainer.